In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a color overlay to your videos in Canva. So you want to ensure that you have your video in your timeline. Once you have the video in your timeline, you can easily add a color overlay by simply go ahead and click in photos on the left side. Find a color that you want. So let's say I would want something blue. I can go ahead and I can find that blue color. Then I want to go ahead and drag that video overlay here. Once I add the color over it, I can drag it over the video to ensure that it covers. Now, as long as you don't right click or drag it to have it set as a background, it will only be an image over the video. And you can see right here that it's there. Now, you can also ensure that you move it to where you want. So as you can see, let's say I wanted to put it over the first video. I can simply move it towards the video that I want to add it over and adjust it. And so now I adjust it. So now if I want to go ahead and let's say make it transparent, then I want to go ahead and look at the top where it says transparency. I click on it and I just bring it all the way down until I'm able to really see the video. And so you want to bring it to a level where you can see the video, but also the color gonna still be there. And so maybe something like that. And so now if I play my video, you can see that I have the color over it. And so that's like a video color overlay over my video. And that's it. Very easy and very simple. You can do that to any video that you have in Canva. Click on the video. You want to ensure that you don't click on the video like this, because if you click it, it's going to replace the video that you have. But simple, click and drag it onto your video. Don't let it snap, but just let it slightly be on top of the video where you will still have the option now to adjust the color to your liking. Then from here, you want to adjust it on your timeline like this. When you find it, click on the transparency and you adjust it. And that's it, guys. So I really hope you find this useful. That's how you can easily add color overlay to your videos in Canva. Very easy and very simple.